When it comes to the U.S., competition with QuickBooks, got to ask you about that. What's your value proposition here? And how much are you prepared to use pricing to really win over more customers?
Well, you know, the U.S. is a big and complex market, as you well know. And while I'm not here to comment on Intuit's business, I can tell you the opportunity for us is to stay focused and to really be focused in segments where we already offer strong product market fit. One example for us is really that small business that has multiple jobs to be done, from payroll to invoicing, who wants customization and wants to take advantage of what I call our very open platform and the ecosystem we have of fintech applications that you can attach to Xero. Another big segment for us is accountants and bookkeepers, but specifically those that are building advisory practices. Another place where we see strong product market fit. And we think the key to the U.S. is stay focused on the segments where we have really nice outcomes for customers.
Okay, your efforts really, I mean, your business model is really to move business offline to online. Do small businesses really understand the benefits of going online? And it's a tough macro environment, really, providing the catalyst for them to change the way they do business.
Well, I think you've hit a couple key themes. First of all, small businesses are digitizing, and I think you see simpler services go first, putting up a shop, collecting a payment, and accounting and cloud penetration of accounting is only coming to the fore now. And accountants and bookkeepers, which are a big channel for us, help educate customers on the importance of this. Government compliance, things like making tax digital in the UK also provide a catalyst and a need for small businesses to digitize. So we see it as low but rising quickly. And when you speak to what do small businesses need in uncertain times, well, guess what? They need accounting software and software that helps them manage their cash flows. So one of the things we're really excited about and continue to be proud of at Xero is that we're a macro resilient business that can help small businesses when times are good, but also when times are uncertain.
It's a tough environment for small businesses right now. You have some 3.7 million small business subscribers. How are they doing? What's their health like in this environment where you have so much uncertainties about inflation and supply chain issues?
You know, it's interesting. We have something called the XSBI, which is our own macroeconomic indicating survey, and we run it across multiple geos. And what we see is, relatively speaking, Australian and New Zealand small businesses are a bit better off than their counterparts elsewhere. What we see from our XSBI data in the UK, for example, is that in real dollar terms, sales growth is slowing and they're taking longer to get paid. And so I think we can say overall it is as you would know well, a very complex macroeconomic environment. We think inflation, what may be coming down, is still high. Interest rates will stay high for a while. And what we know is, regardless of whether you're in a market that's slightly better or worse, in times like these, small businesses really care and about managing their cash flows day in, day out, even while they get mixed messages from the market.
The landscape is really changing, isn't it, when it comes to cloud computing and the accounting platform? How much AI is there and data analytics in the way you push out your software?
Well, quite frankly, AI is deeply embedded in what we've done since we began. And if you think about that, software is meant to reduce toil. And so machine learning drives a lot of the features we offer today, from doing bank reconciliation to scanning your bills smartly and auto-categorizing them, to giving you a predictive, report that tells you when, in fact, your cash flows might get tight. So AI has always underpinned our products and our software with machine learning. I think we can all agree that Gen AI offers new opportunities to really use a large language model to, let's say, give you unstructured text-based answers. And we're increasingly experimenting with that facet of AI, while AI has long been in most of our core feature products.